Hello everyone, I am Archana Wale, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication, ASSMS IIT Pune. We are going to discuss about hydropower plant. Hydropower plant, that is the source of renewable energy. So firstly, we are going to see over here what is renewable energy. Renewable energy is energy generated from natural resources like sunlight, wind, rain, tides and geothermal heat, which are renewable or naturally generated energy. Renewable energy technologies ranges from solar power, wind power, hydroelectricity, microhydro, biomass and biofuels for transportation. Then here we are going to see over here one of the renewable energy source, that is hydropower. So firstly, what is hydropower? Hydropower refers to energy, mostly electric, which is derived from water in motion. This power is harnessed and used to drive mechanical devices. The main advantage of this form of energy is that it is clean and renewable. Hydropower plants are actually based on rather simple concept. Water flowing through a dam turns a turbine, which turns a generator. So this hydropower plant works on a simple principle of the generator. So here in this diagram we are going to see how hydropower plant work. In this diagram you can able to see water reservoir. This water reservoir is present on height. Then from this water reservoir the water start to flow from high level towards the low level in a high pressure. So here control gate is present. So when this control gate open, the water from high level start flowing towards the low level through this penstock. And when water flow in high pressure, that moves this turbine. So turbine start to move and that turbine is connected to the generator. So input to the generator, that is the mechanical motion. So all of you know about the principle of the generator. So input to the generator, that is mechanical, and that is get converted into the electrical form on the principle of electromagnetic induction. So output of the generator, that is electrical form of the signals, and that is applied to the transformer. So in this transformer signal, that is electrical form of the signal through these power lines, that is available for the different applications. Then the water which moves the turbine mechanically, that outflow of that water, that is available for the irrigation purpose. So this is the simple working principle of hydropower plant. Then here we are going to see some advantages and disadvantages of hydropower plant. So advantages of hydropower plant: once a dam is constructed, electricity can be produced at a constant rate. If electricity is not needed, the sluice gate can be shut, stopping electricity generation. The water can be saved for use another time when electricity demand is high. Dams are designed to last many decades and so can contribute to the generation of electricity for many years and decades. The lake that forms behind the dam can be used for water sports and pressure activity. Often, large dams become tourist attractions in their own right. The lake's water can be used for irrigation purpose. So these are the some advantages of the hydropower plant. Then disadvantages of hydropower plant. Dams are extremely expensive to build and must be built to a very high standard. The high cost of dam construction means that they must operate for many decades to become profitable. The flooding of large areas of land means that the natural environment is destroyed. People living in villages and towns that are in valley to be flooded must move out. This means that they lose their farms and business. In some countries, people are forcibly removed so that hydropower scheme can go ahead. So these are the some disadvantages of the hydropower plant. Also, that effects on the building of large dam can cause serious geographical damage. For example, building of Hoover Dam in the USA triggered a number of earthquakes and has depressed the earth's surface at its location. So here we have discussed about the hydropower plant, how that works, then some advantages and disadvantages of hydropower plant. Thank you.